I will show you how to use your LyfQuest platform to send email marketing communication. Starting from the left navigation menu, select Clients. When selected, the Clients page will display. From here, select Groups. You will notice that you have 3 types of groups. You have an active clients group, an inactive clients group, and the groups that you created personally. Regardless to whether or not a client has downloaded your mobile app experience, or they're currently active or inactive, you have the ability to send email marketing communication to them. To do this, you would simply select the group that you want to send information to. So for example, if you want to send to everyone that is active, you can do so by clicking on the group and then clicking on the title email. You can do that with your inactive clients as well, and a particular group. So for this example, we will use our active clients. So from here, you would select the group that you wish to send email marketing communication to. Select email, choose the email of choice. Once presented, you can give it a catchy title. For example, we will call this Let's Cut to the Chase. In here, you can pull forward all of your marketing material. If you have brandable material such as a flyer, a brochure, a call to action with graphic designs, instead of inserting it as a document or an attachment, you would simply take your graphic PNG or JPEG file that was created for you or you create yourself and simply copy and paste it into your email body. And as you can see, it can support various sizes and different formats that you'd like to be able to experience. You can also import videos. So for example, if you have a graphic design of your video, you can simply copy paste that graphic design of the YouTube video that you'd like to promote and then simply inserting a link that will navigate people to your YouTube channel. You can also add a contact form. For example, if there was a call to action to a coaching experience that you'd like to invite people to, you can simply do that as well. Simply, again, paste the graphic design that you want to incorporate into your email communication. Take the link that will navigate people to your Google form. Once it's complete, then you would just simply hit send, allowing you the opportunity to be able to mass communicate marketing information to your contacts and your clients. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how you can set up email marketing within your LyfQuest platform. Please follow our YouTube channel so that you can learn more about how you can successfully set up your LyfQuest platform.